Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Nama J2, a hands-free cold press juicer built for genuine convenience. Let's break down what it offers. The standout feature here is right in the name. This is truly hands-free. Instead of feeding produce in piece by piece like most juicers require, the wide-mouth self-feeding hopper lets you load your entire recipe at once, then walk away and multitask in the kitchen while it processes everything. Speed is a real advantage too. You simply add your fruits and vegetables, and the J2 cuts and juices everything for you, delivering fresh cold-pressed juice in minutes without you standing over it the whole time. For output, this is designed to maximize juice extraction, efficiently processing leafy greens and other produce with less pulp waste compared to traditional juicers, genuinely important if you're juicing regularly and want to get the most out of your ingredients. Under the hood, it's powered by a 200-watt motor operating at a slow, quiet 50 revolutions per minute, which is the masticating approach that helps preserve nutrients and produces a higher juice yield than fast-spinning centrifugal juicers. It comes with all necessary components included: juice containers, strainers, and guides, giving you a complete setup right out of the box. Cleanup is also genuinely simplified, with quick-release parts, a cleaning brush, and easy assembly, avoiding the tedious multi-piece disassembly that makes some people avoid using their juicer regularly. And backing all of this is a notably long 15-year warranty, a strong signal of confidence in long-term durability. Overall, the Nama J2 combines genuinely hands-free operation, strong juice yield, and simple cleanup, making it a compelling choice if you want to make fresh juice a regular habit without the usual time and hassle. I'll leave a link to this juicer in the description below if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next review.